No matter how well you wash your face at night, or how many products you use to ensure that your skin maintains that youthful, wrinkle-free glow for as long as possible. And while it's common knowledge that foods packed with collagen and antioxidants can make your skin look and feel younger, there are also foods you should avoid if you're looking to keep wrinkles, age spots, acne, and other skin issues at bay. Many factors contribute to the development of wrinkles, acne, dryness, and general changes to our skin textures. Some of these factors include diet, dairy products, sugars, chocolates, fast foods, and alcohol. Keep watching this video to find out which foods you should avoid if you want your skin to be as healthy as possible. Number 1. Baked goods. As tasty as they may be, baked goods are often loaded with trans fat, which can have a negative impact on your skin and overall health. Having too much sugar and processed carbohydrates can lead to damage in your skins. Donuts and sugary pastries sound delicious. However, they are packed with sugar, which may be linked to the development of wrinkles. Number 2. Soda. These sugary drinks can damage your collagen supply, leading to sagging skin. Sodas also contain phosphates, and when these levels rise, they thin the skin and cause premature aging, namely wrinkles. Number 3. Fatty meat. When working on your diet, it is important to make sure you are getting the best food for your health. When it comes to meats, a lot are high in saturated fats. Fatty cuts of meat such as short ribs, which are high in saturated fat, are associated with high concentrations of insulin growth factor. The insulin growth factor stimulates the production of the sex hormones that can increase acne production. Number 4. Bacon, hot dogs, and pepperoni. These meats are high in nitrates and should be avoided, as nitrates can damage the skin by causing inflammation and wrinkles. Processed meats can also contain high levels of sodium, which can dry your skin out and weaken collagen production. Number 5. Spicy foods. As it turns out, foods that have a little kick to them can do more than just make your face turn red. Spicy foods like salsa, hot sauce, and chili peppers trigger rosacea, another inflammatory process. The inflammatory cascade causes dilation of blood vessels, increased sebum production, and skin sensitivity. Rosacea runs the spectrum of flushing, breaking out, and cysts to nose swelling. Number 6. Potato chips and French fries. Like fast food, these fried foods should be avoided if you want your skin to look as youthful as possible. These foods are notoriously fried in lots of oils that cause inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. They are also filled with refined carbs, which cause inflammation, leading to wrinkles and premature, aged-looking skin. Number 7. Foods with a high glycemic index. High glycemic foods, such as white bread, white pasta, and potatoes, can wreak havoc on your skin. Foods with a high glycemic index not only cause acne breakouts, but also may be associated with premature aging. High blood sugar levels, which can be triggered by foods with a high glycemic index, leads to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen in the skin. This causes collagen to harden, so it breaks rather than bends, leading to wrinkles and a crepey appearance. If you want to keep your skin looking younger, ditch the bread and load up on these healthy foods that fight aging. Number 8. Fast food. Acne is strongly associated with eating a Western-style diet rich in calories, fat, and refined carbohydrates. Fast food items, such as burgers, nuggets, hot dogs, French fries, sodas, and milkshakes are mainstays of a typical Western diet and may increase acne risk. Number 9. Alcohol. Alcohol has the ability to speed up the aging process and cause changes to skin's texture, especially in females if it is not consumed moderately. This is because alcohol acts as a diuretic. It draws out liquid from the body. Less fluid can lead to dehydration and take away moisture from the skin, contributing to dryness. This can make fine lines and wrinkles appear more pronounced. Though this applies to all types of alcohol, such as wine, beer, champagne, and vodka. Number 10. And artificial sweeteners. Foods that are artificially sweetened, such as soft drinks, pasta sauce and juices, can create problems for your skin. Artificial sweeteners have been shown to be able to affect our hormones in the same way as sugar. So therefore they may also contribute to acne. Also, excess sugar molecules bond to collagen and elastin through a process named glycation, resulting in AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. Number 11. Dairy milk and dairy milk products. Cow's milk elevates insulin levels and some brands even have growth hormones. Elevated insulin increases circulating cortisol levels that bind to our sebaceous glands, increasing sebum production. Number 12. Whey protein. While whey protein is found in dairy milk, it can also be consumed as part of other foods such as shakes or smoothie bowls. Whey protein consumed by bodybuilders has also been associated with more acne breakouts. As explained above, whey protein can cause acne because it increases the production of a hormone called insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1. In turn, insulin increases the production of sebum, which is associated with the development of acne. Number 13. Chocolate. Chocolate has also been found to increase the chances of acne flare-ups. Your body metabolizes these carbs the same way as sugar, meaning they can also cause wrinkles by damaging the collagen in your skin. A diet high in fat and refined sugars, like those found in candy and chocolate, can kick sebum production into high gear, and trigger inflammatory responses in the body, both of which are known to increase the risk of breakouts. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.